Hey, what is happening? What's going on? I hope that your week has been very profitable and that you are going into the weekend feeling great. So, I just want to make a quick video on the 5 rules that every day trader has to have, and if you don't, you won't be successful. So, rule number 1, you have to be patient. Day trading generally invokes this thought process that I'm going to get rich quick and I can do it multiple times in a day and I'll be rich in a month. No, day trading means one, you have to be patient intraday, so your trades might take longer than you anticipated, and if you get out, you might lose, but if you wait on, you might make some money. So that could happen, but on the same side, day trading also is not just an instantaneous rich over the next month. You have to be consistent with your small gains in order to make the big gains over your lifetime. Day trading is not a monthly or a yearly commitment. It's a full-on life commitment in order to really see what you can make in the future. Rule number 2, be emotionless. You can't be like all over the place, super happy, super sad, and be expecting to be making good trades. You need to be flat, steady, really just in the zone, not caring about losses, not caring about profits, but following rule number 3s and 4 as well. So rule 3, you got to be a planner. You need to go into every trade with a plan. You need to establish what your selling points are going to be, what your indicators are going to be saying when you're going to be wanting to make the sell. Same with going into a trade. The planning starts before the trading happens, so you need to have a good buy point. So you need to understand what triggers are going to represent your buying mark and what triggers are going to represent your selling mark. And if it doesn't meet those conditions, you don't need to enter the trade. So you have to be a planner, you have to be emotionless, you have to be patient, which brings us to rule number 4, which is you have to be a rule follower. You have to really be consistent with yourself on not breaking any of your rules. So if you come in with a rule that says I'm going to make 1% every day or 2% every day and it starts going over, you need to end your trade, take your profit, walk away from your computer, and not do anything else. And that's going to be really hard to do. You're going to have to be an expert, self-inflicted rule follower in order to be a great day trader. What I've seen happen plenty of times is someone gets on a good winning streak, they make 5% in a day, and they go for one more trade, and all of a sudden they're down 10% on the day. And so all their gains are just washed away and they're actually down money. So you need to be a good rule follower as well. And number 5 is you need to not be greedy. Day trading, like I was saying earlier, is a very, you think you're going to get rich quickly and you're going to do it fast and every day is going to be a green day. You need to not be greedy. You need to cut your losses if it's happening right away. You need to cut your profits if it's going well. If as long as it hits your conditions, you need to end that trade. It's not about the one day, it's about the lifetime of gains. A lifetime of gains when they're compounding is priceless, but one good day of trading is not going to get you anywhere, so don't be greedy. So again, just to recap, those 5 rules are: be patient, be emotionless, be a planner, be a rule follower, a self-rule follower, and don't be greedy. I hope that you're able to really stay green and profit and lock in your profits this next coming week. And I look forward to chatting with you in the Discord, which is linked below. And subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Peace.